Rain is causing some areas to flood, making it real tough for drivers and homeowners taking on the excessive water. Fox 16's Ken Bufa shows us how this weather is washing out some of central Arkansas.
Whether you're driving in it or living near it, heavy rainfall over the past 2 days is coating central Arkansas.
Terrible.
Causing slick roads and massive puddles.
They're slick, definitely. Especially in my truck, I'm always sliding everywhere. So.
In some areas, the water collects on the side of the road. In other areas, it collects right on top.
Drivers say the rain made their Friday afternoon commutes that much harder.
It's dangerous.
Linda Green says she's seen just how bad it can get when it pours like this.
I saw an accident like that one time, and it was really scary. She turned over right in front of me after hitting a puddle of water.
Off-road flooding has become the new lawn ornament.
One while I thought it was a little young lake.
Like here on Crystal Valley Road in Little Rock.
A lot, almost up to the porch.
Little Rock road officials say they spent most of the day using VACCON equipment to unclog drainage systems. And with 3 weeks of winter storms already behind us, drivers and homeowners agree they just want this soggy streak to end.
I'm ready for springtime sunlight.
We went from the snow to the rain when we get the sunlight, you know.
Isn't that the truth? Road officials say drive slowly because there have been reports of hydroplaning accidents. You're advised to give the driver in front of you some room and make sure you have enough room to stop.